Hi for everyone. I will show you how I make the wife drum. That's the real wife drum when I make it and put inside on the Giglad. This is wife drum now. I'll show you. Right, let's close the Giglad. It's not necessary on the moment, and we're going so that this is my variation. This is WAV format, WAV file. When I use it, let's just show you. Okay, right. So what is the idea? Idea is just in all these samples, all this file to make it on the one multi-sample. I have variation A, B, C, and D plus 4 breaks A, B, C, and D. So what happened and what I do? So the trick is I'll use the OBS Studio. Let's open. Mark this one and just in the place on the platform. And now, so if you see always from the S4, 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 I need to transform and number it. Choose first one S4, next one let's be on the D4, the next one will be on the E4, next one I put on the F4. This for the break. For the break I will use the SDS4. Another one let's be on the DDS4. C will be on the FDS4, and the last one let's be on the GDS4. When I make it this one, I need to make on the top the great instruments. Great instruments, we use the drum. I'm just going to put the name, the funk reggaeton, root case from the name as well. Mark, finish. So I have the sound file format here, and when I need to save. When I save, I need to save on the sound file format 16-bit. I will use the mono and just in the save. I'm ready save. Let's show you. So this one funk reggaeton test, and excuse me. Let's open the extreme sample converter. There is the much visible there. To show you what happened now. So this is my ready multi-sampler for A, B, C, and D. What is the idea? The idea, see, I have on the C4 another one. This one is another one plus break. Right, so let's going to Giglad. Open the Giglad. Right, so I have the one funk style. One is the the drums is very similar to this audio one. Let's going to style editor, and we're going on this is the drum section. Right, the drum section is there. So here is the tricks. What I do. I on the moment use the sound font player on the Giglad, but for the much visible I will going to the sforzato just to be understand, more than understand, more than visible, and later I will explain you how to put on the sound for player on the Giglad. So the sforzato is there. Let's do going on this multi-sample when I make before, just in the past there. Right, this inside, okay, and now what happened? So the need to find it where is the, I am marked on the S4, but here is the S3 anyway. So I'm ready doing. Let's to clear this one and show you. So from here to press this marker on the grid here, choosing the going to number 1, just to be possible to put on the all together, and from here need to going on the O main A here, and now let's open this for Santo. See, yeah, when I'm started here, I'm doing same. I'm doing same from the B, just to move this one. Just to move. This is for the B, but on the next one, where is the here? This is for position B. This is for C and D, and the break. Right, just very important, very important. So that all this track, the wave track, when I'm recorded, I'm recorded on the tempo 120. So the problem here, you can change the tempo. I will explain you why. So that this tempo need to be same, absolutely same, 120. Right. So I am using it on the moment sforzato, but I don't want to use it sforzato. I need to use it the sound font player on the Giglad. So what first need to do? I need to go on this funk reggaeton when I make it, just copy, and later when you're going on the Giglad, on the tools, on the setting, going on the sound font, this is the one way when you need to find the sound font. I have another one. I know another folder where is the need to find this samples, and I just need to put there my samples is here. I'm just in the paste. I am ready paste. Is the funk. Yes, funk reggaeton test I have. And later, just in the going again on the tools and sound font error scan just to find it. I am doing this one before, and now just in the going on the sound font. I need to find it. Funk reggaeton test. I think it's this one. Just mark. Let's do it. And going on the style and just use it. just don't change the tempo, because if change the tempo, see, I'm changed it now, and another track is synchron from the wave drum, so that a wave drum can change the tempo. If you are making the sum and use it the same wave drums, just remember which tempo you use it, and when, for example, I am using the 120, just in the put 120 to be absolutely synchron from the another tracks and working. That is the trick. It's not perfect, but it's some option to use it the wave drum like it wrong. So I'm very thankful to watch my video, and I'm so hope to be useful for the my tricks. Thank you very much.